Get back on the highway. He's having fun today. Let's go downtown Simpson real quick, see if we can pick up some babes. I'm tired of this. I need to pick up some babes. I see a straightaway, I'm gonna take it. Wait, and who said 600s can't go 160, bro? Come on. I seen that on Instagram the other day. 600s can't go 160, bro. I just damn near hit it with my cat on, without a tune, bro. Like, come on, bro. Hey, but if you guys really want to know how fast you're going, just look back after you're done. Sorry, you're just gone from everyone. For real, like, oh. Damn, look at that view, bro. Damn. Damn, wait, I need to find a picture. I need to find a place to get a picture, bro. My phone ain't dead. Maybe like right here. I don't know. I just want to get some pictures, bro. And the background's not so dope though. Maybe we can try it out, bro. My phone might be dead. Before I got on it, it was at like 3%. Damn, bro. Let's get some short clips. This is how I do it, guys, if you don't know. Phone's on 4% still. I need to get some more pictures. You already know this is what we do, baby. You pretty girl. Dang, you cute girl. Alright. Here, let's get a startup video. Good plan. Sorry guys. We should probably get out of here. I don't too much drama, you know. No, if this ain't a good Friday night, bro, I don't know what is, for real. I'm glad my phone wasn't dead either. Yeah, so that's a little behind the scenes for you guys. Oh my gosh, we got those pictures perfect timing, bro. The sky looks so good, man. Oh, the background is you know, pretty much the sky that just looked hard as fuck. Like, that looks so good, bro. Like, damn. Well, yeah, I just wanted to have a little motovlog for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys have a good night. If you guys liked the video, give it a like. Let's get 100 likes, please. Let me get over real quick, don't die. Yeah, so give it a like, subscribe, road to 100K. Comment too, I answer everyone's comments. So, and then tomorrow, hey, remember tomorrow's the car meet, so stay tuned for that. Hit the sub button, that'll be out shortly. And more upgrades, hopefully coming soon. But yeah, I don't want to drag this on any longer, so love you guys, ride safe, over and out.